Oke, Synchro. Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And today we're going to make a Ceasar Cipher. So just for a brief, Ceasar Cipher use the method called ROT3. Maybe you already heard of. What it means is rotation, next, and character. So of course this is about encryption and decryption, right? So let's say you have a word fry, right? And so what the Ceasar Cipher do is each character of a word or in a file text will be rotated into the next and available character. So if we can do such as, we have the R, the F, the R, and the Y. So each character will be rotated into the next character. Let's say we can use ROT3, which is what we're going to do in this series of video. Okay, so the first next character of F is G, and then the second next character of G is H, and the third one is I. So therefore the character F will be changed into I. Okay, same thing for the R. The next character is S, the second next character is T, the third next character is U. So R will be changed into U. We go with the same implementation here, which is Z. After Z, we go back to A, so you can see the pattern here. Okay, so we can say that the fry is equal to IUB according to ROT3. So this is what the encryption of Ceasar Cipher about. So it just change the current character into the next N character. So that's the whole idea. So it's a brief. So in this series, well, in this part, because this is part 1, we're going to get the user input, and the second one is create the encryption algorithm, the third one for the decryption, and last one we can refining some stuff. You'll see boy. So let's create a class first. Class, the name of our file, Ceasar Cipher, Cipher underscore algo, curly bracket. Okay, and then the main method, public static void main string arguments. So in order to get the user input, we need a scanner. So we have to import the Java util package first. That's better. So now we can create, instantiate the object of scanner. Let's say in new scanner system.in. Notice that the in is not the same as in this cute bracket. Well, so if you use input system.in, it's not going to be .input, it's just going to be just system in. So that's something. Then we can create a variable to catch the user input. Now let's make the let's make a hello world first, right? So we can check if our code is running smoothly or not. Let's go with print line, simple hello world. A nice way to debug. Oh, okay, let me zoom out, and then here I'm using Unix, so I look at the file first. It's the nobody cookie. So to compile, you use the command javac and then the name of the file with the Java extension. So if it doesn't prompt anything, you should be good to go, dude. Java Ceasar to execute. We get the hello world. Okay, now let's make the menu. So the user can choose whether he want to encrypt or decrypt, which will be useful for another episode of the series. Let's go with the backslash so we can create a new line for the decrypt. Okay, system out. For this one, I'm not going to use the print line because we want the answer is in the same line as the question. So we can choose the method, giving it a little bit space right here, so we can collect the answer now. Input the next line, because we want text, not just an integer or double data types. We want the full text. So we can now just create a switch case. Oop. What? Okay, bracket. Let's go with the case. If the user choose 1, here's the encryption code on next video. Oop. If the user choose 2, here's the decryption. So don't forget the break statement, and then the default. Okay, I guess we're pretty much good to go. Just copy this to actually check the switch case is alright. Can do the encryption, same thing right here, but for the decryption, let me zoom out a bit. Okay, we can compile first because we make changes, so it doesn't prompt anything, so it's good, right? We can execute, choose 1, encryption, execute again, choose 2 is decryption. Okay, so in order to check that as I said in the beginning, each character is going to move another n character, so the string itself, because the answer data type is string, we need to chop that into a character of array. So we can do that. We can just use char. Let's name this char answer. The variable that have the user input on it, we can just do char array. So we call the method of the variable. Then let's don't forget to add a library for the encryption and decryption. We can do that with string lib encryption And the naming, it's all on you, right? I'm going to just A B C D E F G, and this format for in this series will be only based on the alphabetic character. A B C D E F G H I N L P Q R S T. Okay, should be good to go. And then for the string lib decryption, I have a nice trick. So you can do this, right? X W V, but it's just not that fast enough. So boom, D E F G. So it's correct, right? Because it have the same alignment. So we good to go, man. Same thing here. So because we need to match a character into a character, oh, let's use another phrase. Let's say if I have a word fry, right? So the F of the user input, we will check into the lib encryption. So the lib encryption itself have to be a data type of character, right? Not string. And we can just chop that again. Char lib enc, and just lib encryption. Go to char array. Okay. Same goes for the decryption. You can just do the toop and the toop. So we pretty much prepared for the next video. So let me just compile this first. We cannot find the symbol. Char lib encryption to char array, lib encryption. Oh, wait. Is it new char symbol? Okay, so we're getting error here. Wait, I just forgot, man. Let me just do this. So this one is actually okay, but for this one we get some error. Did I just mistype or char lib encryption to char array? Let it know in the comment below. Lib encryption string, cannot find symbol. Lib encryption, let's just liber. Let's go with the liber. Is it the naming? Decryption. Chat A. So we're pretty much good to go, and we are pretty much prepared for the next okay, so we're pretty much good to go, and see you next time. And thanks you for watching. I really appreciate it, and thank you.